Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer link building assets from Google Sheets to BuzzStream. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Google Sheets document containing your link building assets. Review the data to ensure it's well organized. Make sure each column is clearly labeled, such as URL, contact name, email, and status. To begin the export process, click on File in the top left corner. Select Download from the drop-down menu. Choose comma-separated values.csv as your format. The file will now download to your computer. Next, log in to your BuzzStream account. Once logged in, navigate to the Projects tab. Select the project you want to import your assets into. Click on the Import button located near the top right of the project dashboard. From the import options, select Import from CSV. A prompt will appear asking you to upload your CSV file. Click on Choose File and select the CSV file you just downloaded. After selecting your file, click on Open. BuzzStream will analyze the file for import compatibility. Next, map the columns from your CSV to the BuzzStream fields. Ensure each column aligns with the correct field in BuzzStream, such as matching the email column to the corresponding email field. After mapping is complete, click on Import. Wait for BuzzStream to process your file. Once the import is finished, you will receive a confirmation message. Review your project to ensure all assets have been transferred correctly. Start utilizing your link building assets in BuzzStream for effective outreach. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.